Okay, you have the temperature 100, 20, 100, okay, in Kelvin, 100, 20, 300, 400, and the thermal conductivity, okay, 9.4, 18.4, 26.2, 33.3, okay. Find the thermal conductivity of air when T is 385. Okay, so 385 is here. Let's say 385 here. Okay, using linear Lagrange interpolation and Newton divided difference. Okay, if linear, I think you can perform it manually also can, but since if you want to use Excel, then everything you can just perform it in Excel. So 385 is between 340. So for linear interpolation, make sure you just choose, okay, the last two data, 300 and 400. If you choose the wrong data, then you may have only the method marks, but your answer mark is gone. So make sure you choose the correct data point. 385 between 300 and 400. Cause the name interpolation. Make sure the value that you are going to estimate is inside the list. Okay. So we have only linear, so it's only two data. It's very easy. Okay, and let's say we put it. This is x. This is y as usual. So the x is actually correspond to your temperature. The y is actually correspond to the thermal conductivity. So you put this is 300, this is 400, and when 300, the y value is 26.2. Okay, and the y for x is 300 is 33.3. Okay, and then I will find L. So this cell is L0, this is L1. Okay, and then your F, 385. So mean F385 is actually, so when X is 385, what is the corresponding Y value? Put it here, center. Okay. So linear, I think, no problem for you to calculate it. So the L nodes, recall back, the Lagrange linear interpolation formula. Okay, the L nodes is actually x minus, not from 0, so x minus x1, because I have 2 points only, so x minus x1, and then x naught minus x1. Okay, so you just key in the L naught formula. Numerator and denominator, make sure you bracket. So the x that you are going to estimate is, to make it template, I may put it first. If x is confused, given this one is 385. So I refer to this cell, I constant it. So this one, I refer to that cell so that I can make template. So next time if I change, I want to find 185. Then I just change in this cell only. So d5 minus x1 divide x naught minus x1. Okay, so you get 0.15. So make sure you key in so x minus, this is b x1, x naught minus x1. So make sure just need to make sure L naught correct. Okay, point to the right bottom, get that little plus, click, hold down your mouse, drag it. Then click back L1 formula. Okay, that one outside of the range, just drag it to x naught. If you use the spreadsheet menu, it'll be the same thing. You cannot drag, you just correct that one. Okay, outside of the range, correct back to the correct x naught cell. Okay, so now the answer will be L naught multiply y naught plus L1 multiply y1. Mean you have your F 385 exactly. Lastly, L naught y naught plus L1 y1. So when you get the answer, check back. So 32.235 is makes sense between these two data. Then the answer is correct. Okay, why I prefer to put this way? Let's say now I want to find, let's say 285. Then automatically, and if here I change to 285, I make sure my data change also. This one I have to change. This is 200. This one 300. Then this one 18.4. 26.2. So here 25.03. So mean this is what we call template. So okay, now get the question, change back to the question. 300, 400. This is 26.2, 33.3. So this is a linear Lagrange interpolation. And then for Newton divided difference, for Newton divided difference, you have the I stand for you have to indicate the row. Okay, and then you have this is a X, this is a, let's say I just put here, stand for, the Y value, this is a Y value. Okay, this is a first level, let's say I put F superscript 1. This is F level 2. See, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you're up to second level only. Newton divided difference, put out the table vertically. Y, you have 9.4, 18.4, 26.2, and then 33.3. So the first K level of Newton divided difference you have here, Fi, let's say this is F01, will be the F0, this cell is F01. The subscript refer to the I, superscript is actually stand for, this is the first K Newton divided difference, this is the second. Okay, so F, now you want to find F01 will be F1 at level 0 minus F0 at level 0 divided, 0 plus 1 will be X1 minus X0. And then Excel cannot natural display, so when you have more than one term, please make sure your bracket. F10 is actually here. Mean the first level is like you calculate the slope. Y1 minus Y0. This one. Y1 minus Y0. Divide. Denominator also bracket. X1 minus X0. First level of Newton divided difference is like so calculate the slope only. Difference of y divide difference of x. So take y1 minus y0 minus x1 minus x0. Copy it down. Second level still the numerator also still the same pattern. Take the previous column, in this one 0.078 minus 0.09 divided x number 2 minus x0. So which is f1 at level 1 minus f0 at level 1 divided x2 minus x0. Which is here. Then the numerator is actually previous column, the next row minus current row divided. Only the confusing is a denominator. So 0 plus 2 is x number 2 minus x0. Then you copy it down. So you have 3, okay, sorry, you got 3, so up to F3, because the last one must be only 1. So you need the third level Newton divided difference. Okay, third level, the formula F03. So it's F1. Third level depend on the second level. So take the bottom, deduct the top. So F12 divide F02. So it's, okay, 0 plus 3 will be x number 3 minus x naught. So we have here this one minus this, okay, divided x3 minus x naught. Okay. And then, okay, lastly, to estimate f 4 points, okay, the f 385, mean the fx is actually approximate, okay, you have p3x, okay, p3x, which is equal to, okay, f00, f00 is actually this one, y naught, plus f01, it is actually take up all here, all, okay, 0 row. First level multiply, okay, one term x minus x naught. Okay, second Newton divided difference will multiply two terms, x minus x naught, x minus x1. Okay, third level Newton divided difference, you will multiply three terms, which is x minus x naught, x minus x1, and then x minus x2. Okay, so we can, okay, so f385, okay, then I can put it here, given this is 385, then the answer is this is a y naught plus, okay, f01 multiply, okay, this x minus x naught, okay, plus f02 multiply, I can copy x minus x naught, okay, right. Second, okay, Newton divide difference, so x minus x naught, x minus x1, so no need to key in so many times. So, and then, oh, missing, never mind. So equal y naught plus, okay, f01 multiply, so x is this cell, okay, you will not copy down the formula, you don't need constant, so x minus x naught plus, second level f02 multiply, because lazy to key in, so I copy the formula here. So this is for 0 level, first level, okay, second level x minus x naught, x minus x1, okay, plus f03 multiply, okay, I copied these two terms, multiply, okay, so x minus x2. So you see D6 is the F01, okay, F00, this is F01. First level multiply x, okay, my x store in C10, x minus x naught. This is second level, okay, F02, okay, multiply x minus x naught, x minus x1. Okay, the third level, x minus x naught, x minus x2, okay, x minus is x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2. Okay, once you confirm correct. So you get the answer 32.26. Okay, 32.26. The answer compared with the linear 25. Because linear is, okay, you take only 2 points. Okay, and Newton divided difference here is actually take up all, okay, means it's a cubic approximation. So this is for Lagrange and Newton divided difference.